The Martingale is one of the most famous betting systems ever created. In this video, we'll explain how the Martingale system works, why it's so popular, and the risks you need to understand before trying it. What is the Martingale system? The Martingale is a negative progression betting system. That simply means one thing. Every time you lose, you double your next bet. The idea is that when you eventually win, you'll recover all previous losses and make a profit equal to your original bet. For example, you bet $5 and lose. Your next bet becomes $10. Lose again and you bet $20. Lose again and you bet $40. If that $40 bet wins, you recover everything you lost and earn a profit of $5. Then the cycle starts over from your original bet. Why players like it? At first glance, the Martingale seems incredibly simple. You don't need complicated calculations. You don't need to memorize charts. And most of the time, you only need one winning hand to recover your losses. That's why many beginners find it appealing. The system creates the feeling that losing streaks are only temporary and that a win is always just around the corner. The biggest problem. The problem is that your bets grow extremely fast. Let's assume your starting bet is $5. After 7 consecutive losses, your next bet would be $640. To reach that point, you would already have risked $635. And if you finally win, your profit is still only $5. You're risking hundreds of dollars just to earn the value of your original bet. There's another major issue. Casinos don't allow unlimited betting. Every table has a maximum bet limit. If your next Martingale bet exceeds that limit, you can no longer continue the system. For example, if the table maximum is $500 and your next required bet is $640, the progression stops. At that point, you can no longer recover your previous losses. The gambler's fallacy. Many players justify the Martingale with a simple thought. I've already lost 7 hands in a row. Surely I'm due for a win. But that's not how probability works. Each blackjack hand is independent. The cards don't know what happened in the previous hand. After 7 losses, your chances of winning the next hand are essentially the same as they were before the losing streak began. This mistaken belief is known as the gambler's fallacy. Like any betting system, the Martingale comes with both advantages and disadvantages. On the plus side, it's easy to understand, requires no complicated calculations, and a single win can recover your previous losses. It also works in both online and land-based casinos. However, the downsides are hard to ignore. The system requires a large bankroll. Bets grow very quickly. Table limits can stop your progression, and a long losing streak can wipe out your funds. Most importantly, the risk increases dramatically while the potential profit remains relatively small. A popular alternative is the Paroli system. Instead of increasing bets after losses, Paroli increases bets after wins. With Martingale, you're risking more money during losing streaks. With Paroli, you're pressing your advantage during winning streaks. Many experienced players prefer Paroli because the risk is limited while the upside can be much larger. The Martingale doesn't change the house edge. It doesn't improve your odds of winning. All it does is change how your money is distributed over time. You may experience many small wins, but eventually a long losing streak can erase those profits very quickly. If you decide to try the Martingale, keep your starting bets small, set a strict stop loss, and never assume a win is due. Want to learn more blackjack betting systems? Check out our full blackjack guides at Chipy.com, where you'll find detailed explanations of Martingale, Paroli, basic strategy, and much more.